Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp on Huawei Nova 14 Pro. Okay, we'll have to download it directly from the WhatsApp page using our browser, because normally the WhatsApp isn't in the Huawei app gallery, so that's why we're going to download it from the browser. I'm about to use the Petal search. Now in this bar, simply type WhatsApp. In here we have the official WhatsApp page, and in here we have the download. Tap on that, and now select download WhatsApp directly. Click on download. Okay, the downloading process has started, so now we just need to wait a little bit until it's downloaded, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, it has been downloaded. Now the phone will perform the security check. Now click that you allow and click on install. Okay, now we can click on open. In here, select your language, then click on agree and continue. Now we need to type our phone number right in here. If you don't remember it, you can always click on what's my number, click on continue, allow, and it will be automatically copied. Select your phone number, click on use, and now click on next. Yes, this is the correct number, so click on yes. Okay, now we need to verify. We have few methods. We have the missed call function, code from the SMS message, and also the voice call. You can see it right in here. Always pick the missed call. Then click on continue, click on allow. It's requesting for a call. Now click on continue, allow. Okay, actually it has selected the SMS code. I don't know why. Okay. As you can see, it has been automatically pasted. Now we need to wait until it's connected. Okay, it's taking longer than I expected. I think something has lagged. So maybe I'll close the app and open it up once again. Okay. Now click on continue, click on allow and allow. In here, type your name. And also you can change your profile photo. If you're interested, you can click the plus icon, and then you'll be able to select the photo from your gallery. Now click on next. And now we are ready to use the WhatsApp. We can click on send message, we can invite a friend, and we are ready to use our WhatsApp. We can also see that the app has been added into the home screen. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.